Space is a vacuum, so sound can't travel like it does on Earth, but scientists have found a way to hear space by converting electromagnetic waves into sound. Listen to the scary sounds of Jupiter. It's like hearing the voice of the giant planet itself. And hear Saturn. With its hauntingly creepy sounds created by the interaction of its rings and magnetosphere. Even the black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy has its own unique sounds. Space may be silent to our ears, but thanks to technology, we can experience the cosmic symphony. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the universe.